Welcome to Costello Realty Management, where we want you to experience excellence. We're so glad to have you with us. In this short video, we're going to show you how to log into your owner's portal and make an owner's contribution step by step. The owner's portal is your personal online account with Costello Realty Management. It's secure, simple, and an easy way to stay connected with your properties anytime, anywhere. Inside your portal, you can view your property's income, expenses, download reports, tax forms, send money online, and see your financial details whenever you need them, all in one place. First, you're going to want to go to our website, costellolv.com. Then go to the Owners tab at the top of the page. Then select Owner Statement. From there, click Log In. That'll bring you to the owner's login page. From there, log in with your email. After that, you will be prompted for your two-factor authentication. This is a required safety step to protect your account. You'll see a message that allows you to choose a verification code to get sent to your cell phone. Open up that text message, find the code, type it into your screen, then click Verify. If you don't want it to prompt you, then you will want to select Remember this device for 30 days. And there we go. Now we're logged in. This is your owner dashboard. First, in this video, we're going to focus on how to make a contribution. On the left-hand side, under Contribution, you'll click there. Next, you're going to choose the property you're going to want to send a contribution for, the amount, and the method in which you want to send it. E-checks have no fees associated with it, however, debit and credit cards do. Next, hit Continue. You'll verify and fill out all your bank information, then confirm it, and that's it. It's that simple. I appreciate you watching this quick guide. At CRPM, we're proud to be family owned and focused on helping our owners experience the excellence. If you ever need help with your owner's portal, please do not hesitate to call us at 702-724-0040. Thank you, and welcome to the family.